Ever felt the sting of a tech meltdown right when your team is racing to deliver? Imagine your project files disappearing as the server crashes. Again, in just 18 months, you've already paid emergency costs of $15,000 twice just to get back online. That's more than a budget hit. It's a blow to client trust and your team's confidence. As Torino Fuad, CFO at Group 1 IT, says, "You can't forecast every tech issue, but you can control how much it disrupts your work and your budget." Managed IT services aren't about spending more on technology. They're about building a safety net so your people can focus on work, not disaster recovery. Instead of unpredictable costs and downtime, you get predictable monthly fees, proactive maintenance, and rapid threat response. No more guessing games or budget reshuffling. That's why 25 to 30% of the IT market now relies on managed services for reliability. With Group 1 IT, security is built for today's threats and compliance requirements, not yesterday's vulnerabilities. Managed IT flexes as you grow, giving you access to broader expertise, cost flexibility, and scalable resources. Your business adapts and thrives, not just patches problems. The majority of large enterprises, over 60% of managed services users, have already realized that this approach frees their teams from daily tech firefights and enables sharper focus on strategic growth. Group 1 IT brings this edge to industries like construction and healthcare, building systems tailored for your field. If your team is stuck firefighting tech issues and losing productive hours, it's time to move forward. Define what slows you down, start with a zero-impact audit, and commit to proactive planning. Read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist to discover how managed IT services can turn your tech headaches into lasting business strength.